Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we've got another video. In this video I will be showing you how to find recently added contacts on iPhone. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, let's go ahead and open our mobile's shortcuts. Once the shortcut is open, simply go ahead, tap on this plus icon right here, tap on the search bar, type in contact, and once you get the contact, simply tap on this find contact. Once you tap on your contacts, you will simply tap on this short by option, tap on it. Now you will go swipe down and find this, and then you will tap on this creation date over here, and then tap on this order option, and then you will tap on this latest first, which will simply turn the latest one added first because we want to note recently added contacts as well. And tap on this limit option. If you get that, you can see you can get in this limit option the 5 contacts after recently added. And then once you're done with that, what you're gonna do is simply go ahead and then you will get this play button over here. If you play that, you can see these are the recently added contacts right there in our mobile phone. You can simply go ahead, check it out. Once you're done, simply go ahead, tap on this done option. So yes guys, this is the way, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yes, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.